If you've ever wanted to play chess with your friends or even challenge your own skills directly inside Telegram, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to play chess on Telegram using a handy bot, so you won't need to download any extra apps or switch between platforms. It's fast, convenient, and actually pretty fun, perfect for casual matches or sharpening your strategy anytime, anywhere. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your Telegram app. Once you're in, look toward the top and find the little search bar. This is usually at the top of your chat list, or sometimes you'll spot a little magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you're going to type the word ChessBot, all as one word and without any spaces. As you start typing, Telegram will give you some search suggestions. You want to look for the ChessBot. Don't worry if you see a few different options, just pick the one that looks like an official bot. It might even have a little game controller emoji in its name, which makes it easier to identify. Once you've found the bot, tap on it to open its chat window. You might notice that nothing much has happened yet, but that's totally normal. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button that says Start. Go ahead and tap Start. What you're doing right now is essentially waking the bot up and letting it know that you'd like to begin a new chess session. If you haven't used Telegram bots before, this can feel a little surprising, almost like you're sending a message to a new contact, but instead, you're connecting with a clever little digital helper that's ready to play chess with you. After tapping Start, the ChessBot will instantly reply, usually with a welcome message and instructions. Take a moment to read what it says. This will give you an idea of how the bot operates. For most chess bots, you can start a new game against the bot or share a link to play with a friend. If you want to play solo, just follow the instructions, and the bot will present you with a chessboard right there in your chat window. Moves are made by simply typing them and using chess notation like e2 to e4, but some bots even let you tap on the board if they're extra fancy. If you want to challenge a friend, the bot usually provides a share game or unique game link. Forward this link to your friend in Telegram, and once they tap it, you'll both be brought into the game. This part is really convenient, and you don't have to juggle separate apps or websites. Everything stays within Telegram, keeping things super streamlined. And that's seriously all there is to it. Once you're in the game, just start making your moves. Don't worry if you're new to chess notation or the interface looks a little different from what you're used to. It only takes a few turns to get the hang of how it works. And the great part is you can pause, come back later, or even play multiple games at once if you'd like. So to recap, search for ChessBot in Telegram, tap Start, and get right into playing. Super simple but surprisingly powerful. I hope this walkthrough helps you start your first Telegram chess game without any confusion. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe you want strategies or have trouble finding a bot, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy playing.